Hey lovelies, it's your girl Genevieve and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this cute coils. This hair was actually a straight hair and I decided to spice it up. If you have a straight hair, you can always curl it. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video so I'll show you how I was able to achieve the coils. Hey guys, so I already called this hair previously. All right, I did like a test run to see how it would come out before I was able to film it. Okay, because I don't like doing something and then it didn't come out well, because there's some hairs that don't really allow heat. Okay, some hairs that when you try curling it don't really come out very well. Okay, so this hair I decided to just try it, and I've done it before and it came out pretty nice, and I was really glad, and I said, why don't I film it and record how I was able to achieve that pretty course, because I got a lot of compliments when I did the chorus, when I wore the wig. It was really nice. Okay guys, so here because I already called it previously, it's not really straight as it used to be, so I'm trying to straighten it out. That's why I had to apply leave-in conditioner and water to actually make the hair to be smooth and easy for me to work with. And then I went ahead to comb it, and also I'm using a blow dryer to blow it, and afterwards I'll go on to start sectioning the hair in parts. So I'll go on to use my straightener and then coiling rod, and also I used a coiler too. Okay, so you see all the tools I use in the video. Okay, so when I section out the part I want to work with, I'll go on to use a brush it out, comb it out, and then I'll use a straightener. Okay, so after straightening it to make sure it's smooth and straight, I'll go on to use my coiler. So when I use the coiler to coil it, for some hairs, once you use the coiler to coil it, it's good to go. Okay, you can just get the real coils, like the particular type of coil you want. But I don't really want messy coils. I don't really want a coil that is like not really coiled up. All right, if I had wanted that, only the coiler would have been enough, but no, I want it really coiled up, and I also want the coils to last. All right, so I went ahead to use my coiling wand after using the coiler to heat it up. Okay, so when I used the coiling wand, I left it for some time. This really made the coils to pop very well. So yeah, this is basically what I'll be doing. Okay, till the end of the video, I'll just go on to section out the hair, brush it out, comb it out, use my straightener, straighten it, and then use the coiler, coil it. Once it's hot, I remove it. As you can see, in some cases you'll be seeing smoke coming out. Okay, so I allowed it to heat up, and then I removed it and then used the coiling wand to coil it, okay, in the desired way I want the coils to be. So once I'm done with that, I'll move over to the next one. Mind you guys, I used the heat protectant, but I didn't show it here. I use argan heat protectant. All right, so please ensure that you use a heat protectant when you're making use of heat in your hair, to avoid damaging the hair or causing the hairs to start breaking. Alright guys, so when you're placing your hair in the coiler, okay, ensure it is smooth. Alright, so if you can see the way I'm doing, I'm trying to straight the hair, stretch it out, and then make sure it lays flat and smooth. Okay, so guys, here when I removed the coiler, okay, you see how the coils is. Alright, it's loose, and I don't really want a loose coils. Alright, so that is why I go on to use the coiling wand, because some people may say, why didn't you just use the coiler alone and then coil it? Or some may say, why didn't you just use the coiling wand and coil it? Seriously guys, both of them work magic. I can actually use the coiling wand alone. I can actually use the coiler alone, alright? But I just prefer using the both of them, because there's just something about using the both of them, because they work wonders. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, those coils actually came out very beautiful. And because the hair is not originally a coiled hair, it's a straight hair, like very straight hair, so I really needed that extra to really make the coils pop and also last for some time. So guys, when I was done with it, I went ahead to spray my got to be spray on it. All right, this is, it's going to make it to, hold properly. Afterwards, I also sprayed oil sheen on it for extra shine. And guys, when I was done, I left this hair for some time. I didn't really lose it out immediately. I just left it to stay for like, because when I did this hair, I was not really ready to use it, so I just did it and kept it because I really want the curls to come out very good. So I just left it for some days and then I loosed it up, guys. Look at that course. Damn, the course is really good. It's really poppy. So guys, if you've stayed with me till this moment and you want to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. And guys, also turn on your post notifications so you get notified on any of my new uploads. And also don't forget to like this video, comment in the comment section your thoughts about this curls and how it looks, and also tell me if it's something you will try on your straight hair. And also don't forget to share this video because you don't know who this video might help. All right guys, so this is for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you, but God loves you more. Peace.